get the bag, I'ma get the.
Alright, so hey you guys, so yeah, I kind of want to do another week in my hair with my mini braids, and they have grown a lot since the last time I've done like a week in my hair. So yeah, okay, so it's late at night, and I recently re-braided my mini braids. I had these in for about 3 weeks, so I think this is going to be like my last week doing my mini braids before I take them out. And so I just want to show you guys like a different process. I don't know, but I thought the first one wasn't as helpful. It's kind of like quick, so maybe I can do like an in-depth week in my mini braids. So if you guys want to see, then keep watching. Okay, so I've already started trying to like slick down a little bit of the front part of my hair. So I'm using this edge control, and so I'm not gonna do like too much. I just want it to look a little sleek when I get up in the morning. And I do use a little bit of edge control to like tame the flyaways so it looks a little bit neater. So I don't use too much, and I just go like along my part and just like lightly. And I don't moisturize today because I did moisturize the night before. In order to keep my hair like still straight and not crinkly in the morning, I pull my hair back like as if I'm doing a ponytail. Yeah, as if I'm doing a ponytail. And then I split the back in half. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around and show you guys. So I split the back in half, and then I'll crisscross them. So yeah, I crisscross them, and then I'll leave it like this, and then I'm gonna use a headscarf. And then you gotta be like, I don't know, hand coordinated or something like that. You gotta be quick with this. So yeah, so I'll take my headscarf, and then I'll just like tie it around like this. Okay, I'm gonna do it again because I don't know if you guys saw that process. Alright, so I'm gonna cross. I'm gonna take my headscarf, and so you're gonna take your other hand and replace this one. And then you just tie it back. And then to tie it, you're going to switch hands again to tie it. And then there you go. And then you tie it. And then you're done. So that's like my nighttime routine for my mini braids, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey y'all, it's about 5:30 in the morning, and I don't really do too much with my hair in the morning, especially after moisturizing the night before. I just fluff my hair out and make sure that there's no crinkles in my hair, and I just try to figure out what style I want to do in the morning, and it can be a struggle. But yeah, I don't really do too much, and I know that may seem boring, but I honestly just cover my hair with a surgical cap once I get into work. So, you know, I don't really have to do too much with my hair. And I just love doing my mini braids as a protective style because it's just a quick and easy style. Especially since I'm not a morning person, it just helps me be able to get up quickly, get dressed, and go. So yeah, I'm just, you know, fluffing my hair and getting ready for work. Alright, you guys, so it's the next day, and this is the day that I moisturize my hair and on my scalp. So I'm going to show you guys the things I'm using to moisturize my hair. So I'm using this. I don't know, lately I've been liking this. I tried the travel size, and I've been using this on my son's hair, and I just like how his hair is super soft after using this, so I went and bought the bigger size. But the only thing I do not like about this is the pump is very defective. Like it sprays when it wants to spray, and it gets very sticky. Like you'll spray and then it'll take too long for the top part to come back up. So I'm gonna transfer this into like a spray bottle. And then I'll be using Curls Dynasty leave-in. I really like the leave-in. I'm almost finished with this, so I may go ahead and buy it again. But I just really like how my hair is super moisturized after using this. And then I'm going to be using icing on the curl to seal my ends. And I really like this. It's, you know, super moisturizing for the hair. And then of course on my scalp I'm going to be using my Ayurvedic oil. And I know you guys, it may seem like a lot of products, but these are the products that I use to keep my hair moisturized. So what works for me may not work for you. So we all do things differently to maintain moisture for our hair. But I just like to use these products for my hair. Just it's very helpful. But yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get into the process and stop talking. And I'm just doing the same thing as earlier and just fluffing my hair out, make sure everything looks nice, pulling my hair back behind my ears, and just getting ready for work. Alright, hey you guys, so it's the next day in the morning. I fell asleep. I was so tired, so I didn't get to wrap my hair up. But yesterday towards the end of the day I did like a half up, half down. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'm just gonna put my hair up in this half up, half down, and then I'm just gonna, yeah, it's not too, yeah, this is what I'm gonna do, and it's just real quick and easy. But yeah, see you guys tonight. I do plan on maybe not see you guys tonight, because I do plan on taking my hair out and maybe do something else, or do the mini braids back in, but we'll see. Alright, hey you guys, so today is my last day of my mini braids. Well, this is the last night of my mini braids, and I took all of them out, and this is how my hair looks when I take them out. Yeah, so I'm gonna wash it, and I think I'm gonna put them back in. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but yeah, I haven't decided what I wanted to do with my hair this week. Well, next week. I haven't decided what I wanted to do with my hair next week, and you guys don't judge me. This is like my nighttime like pajama thing. It's a onesie, and it's very festive. I love Christmas, but that's neither here nor there. And but yeah, this is how my hair looks. It's very full. It's growing a lot. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video.
But I thank y'all for the support. I thank God. Yeah, I thank y'all for the support. I like the comments, even the bad ones. Y'all, I appreciate y'all. I know I rich with no trick, but when all this stuff over, I hope somebody send me some money so I could be rich with a check. Period. And I mean that.